to tell one of the famous interview question and one of the toughest tricky strict coding interview is like he will give one input like Java, multiple spaces are there, then bytes are there, then multiple duplicate spaces are there. So what he told me in that interview output is like Java byte is we need to remove unnecessary duplicate spaces. So it is look quite easy, but problem is like it is very tough. So it is tricky coding interview. He told me to use without inbuilt function. So we can't use remove all method to remove the spaces. Just we need to write the logic as per our requirement. So for this one, like this is the string Java byte space is there. So what logic we can write for this one is right. We can take another string. We can take another string. We can take as s2. We will take another string s2. What we will do? We will try to iterate this one. Like we will try to iterate this one till we find the space, right? So till we find the space, we will continue to iterate this one. So for logic, like for this, we will use like this for int I is equal to 0, I less than s1 dot length. I plus. Like this logic we will use. Uh, this logic we will use. For normally we will use this logic. So what we will do here if I will do here if so we are extracting one character. First we will extract J, A, B, then we will extract. So how we will do character? We need to use character is equal to we will use like some character. S1 is our string. So S1 dot caret I. Caret I we will use. So what it will do? We will extract first J, first equal J, then A, then B, then A. So this thing will by the character. So what we will do? We will check like if this character not equals to space. Not equals to space, then we will add this into another string like s2 is another string s2 plus ch. So till this time we can write the logic, but problem is like when space come, what we have to how we can identify like whether it is a normal space, it is duplicate space. So what we have to do, we need to reject, we need to do in else block. What we can do in else, we will do one thing like second I will use here else block. Else block we will use here. In else block, what we have to do, we need to check. Okay, consider like this one. Okay, consider like this one. We find a space. Okay, that is this condition will fail. What condition we have written? This condition will fail. What about this one, fifth one? So this is space. Okay. What about this second one? For this one, what we will do? We will use one logic like what we will do. We will use character ch1 another one. So what v1 got s1 dot char at I, we got char at I here char dot I. So what we got suppose consider fourth position we got. So here fourth one is already by default it is fourth one is space. Fourth it is already space, right? Now what we are doing here, we are making plus one we are doing here. So I plus one means fifth. So we will got this fifth one. So we are checking that this fifth one is space or not. Here we will use if ch is equal to space. The fifth we are incrementing this one fourth to fifth. We are checking like fifth one is space. If it is space, what we are doing? Okay, continue to the execution. We know that this one. Continue. Right. Now next time it will increment. Now it will be here 4 is there, it will become 5. Now it will become 6. For example, it became 6 here. If it is became 6, 6 is B. So this condition, it is not equal to space. So what we have to do then else, we need to write same logic what we have written. S2 is equal to S2 plus CH. Simple logic is there. First, if it is not equal to space, we are adding in a string. If we find the space, then what we are doing another, like if we are incrementing the value 1, and once again we are checking like whether it is equals to space. If it is equal to space, then continue. If it is not equal to space, then we are adding in else block. That's all. That is like we can let simple logic is there. So just I will show you in practical way how we can achieve this one. Okay, I have taken one string here. String is the string s1 is equal to Java space bytes space is string 2. Here string word we can take, normal word is there. So what we are doing here, we are using for loop for int I equal to 0, I less than equal to s1 dot length s1 I plus. First condition, we know first we need to extract the character ch is equal to s dot char. Sorry, we are using s1 dot char at I. So we can get the one character. We are taking Java JAVA. Now we are going to give ch not equals to with space. Then simply happily we are adding word is equal to word plus ch. Till here we can get this Java, but when we got the space, what we will do? Else we are checking what for example, if we got space here, then what about this position? What about this position? So we are checking another time for increment value, like here 4 is the fifth value I am checking. So character is equal to s1 dot char I, because we got space here at fifth location. We are checking, I'm checking like in sixth location also space is there or not. If a space is there, if ch is equal to space, what I am telling to the compiler, continue. We don't need continue. So it will continue. Another value also it will check. Another value it will check. It is space only. Another value it will check. It is space only. Another value to check. Then when it's come B, this condition will become fail. So we need to write one more condition else now to store that one. So we are storing that that value, right? We are storing this value, right? Now the for loop is there. What? See one Java application. Java is bytes. So once you debug the code, then you will get to know like how the flow is going on. Simply first we are checking if it is not equals to space, simply we are adding. If it is not equals to space, then we are checking next value. After space we have another value, we are checking whether that value is equal to space, then we are continuing. Okay, no, we no need. Then once again we are checking, if we find the character, then we are adding. Simple. So thanks for watching. Just share to your colleagues, relatives, friends to get more string coding interviews. Thanks.